Melissa is coming. She's not a sudden strike, but a slow gathering siege. Slow moving, unpredictable, and in her deliberate pace lies her true danger. This means more hours of relentless rain, more water for our mountains to bear, a significantly greater risk of flash floods and devastating landslides. And Jamaica knows what this means. We have seen storms come and go, but they never truly leave. They remain in the stories we tell, in the memories that surface when the sky turns that familiar, ominous gray. From Gilbert, who reshaped our coastlines, to Ivan, who showed us the power of water, to Beryl, whose scars are still fresh on the land and in our minds. Each name is etched into our collective memory, each scar a hard-learned lesson. So when we look at Melissa, she brings more than just rain. She brings a reminder of our own fragility, the simple truth that a roof, a road, a life can be changed in an instant. But she also reminds us of our unbreakable core. There's a truth passed down through generations, from an old man in Port Maria who's seen more skies than most. Storms don't break Jamaicans, they reveal them, and you can already see it happening. You see it in the line at the hardware store, where someone buys an extra tarp for a neighbor. You hear it in the hum of a shared generator, powering more than one home. You feel it in the simple, powerful act of checking on the elderly couple down the road. Our spirit is not just rising to meet the wind, it is already there, waiting. This kind of storm presents us with a rare and crucial gift, the gift of time. The clock is ticking, yes, but this isn't just a countdown to impact. This is a test of our memory. Will we remember the lesson of the last flood? Which roads disappear first? Will we recall the last landslide? Which hillsides became rivers? This is our moment to prove we have learned. This is our moment to use this time and use it wisely. So let's use this time. Let's be deliberate. Follow at Met Service JA and at ODPEM for the facts. Turn away from rumors and whispers. Let's know our shelter routes by heart. Let's secure our important documents, keep our phones charged, and our essentials dry. And let's make that call, knock on that door, and check on our elders. This is how we prepare. This is how we write this chapter of our story, with purpose. And together, we've faced worse, we've endured more, and each time, we have not merely survived, we have been reforged, not just as survivors, but as a community, stronger and more connected than before. When Melissa passes, like the storms before her, there will be damage, but there will also be stories of neighbors helping neighbors, strangers becoming friends, and families standing stronger than before. So as Melissa approaches, we stand ready, stay alert, stay connected, stay strong. Jamaica, one love.